Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll know about the abacus history. We'll know about the history of an abacus. So abacus has come from the China and Japan. Yes, it was born in China and Japan, and this kit is also known as a Sorobin kit in Japan. It is an ancient mathematical tool used for the calculations. The abacus is one of the world's first real calculating tool, and it is 2500 years old, and the abacus word is derived from an ancient Greek word abax. The meaning of an abax is counting board. Now we'll know the importance of abacus. Why abacus is important for your children. Abacus is a mathematical development. It's a brain development program for your children. It is designed in such a manner that brain visualizes the abacus kit while performing the calculation, which automatically activates right part and left part of the brain. Especially when we move our fingers over the beads for solving the problems. We'll know the advantage of abacus, their creativity, their imagination, intuitions, insights, holistic thoughts, music awareness. If they have talent in music or singing, 3D forms, left brain functions are analysis, logic, languages, seasoning, writing skill, number skills, science and maths, and right hand control has been done by left brain. So left hand control is done with the right brain and right hand control is done with the left brain. So these are some advantages and importance of abacus. So it's very necessary for your children in the age of 5 to 12 years, very important to learn abacus so that the visualization will be strong, their concentration level will be strong, and can calculate 6 times faster than the normal maths. So here we'll end our video and see you in the next video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. And if you have any doubts on it, then please comment me in the comment box.